In this video, we're diving into how to set up the Lightspeed X-Series Loyalty Widget. First things first, make sure you're logged in and on the dashboard screen. We need to ensure that Lightspeed X-Series is installed under the Integrations section. Go ahead and click on the Integrations tab, then check for the Install Integration option. If Lightspeed X-Series is already installed, click on the Manage button to explore the customization settings. Now, let's focus on the VEN settings. We need to specifically look at the Loyalty Widget customization settings. Here, you'll find various options for customization. To get started, simply enable the Loyalty Widget. There's a toggle button available for this. Once it's enabled, additional settings will become visible. One of the settings to configure is Show Coupons. Each setting has its own subsettings. For Show Coupons, you can adjust the title and message as needed. Similarly, for Opt-in Customer for Sales, Email for Sales, Require Phone Number for Sales, and Loyalty Points Redemption, there are specific configurations. The redemption setting deals with point redemption on the Loyalty Widget, where I've already set up the title and message. Feel free to craft any message you like, such as redeem points to get a discount. You can select the type of redemption, either fixed or list. I've chosen fixed here. Let's configure the flow. For example, 100 points could equal a $20 discount. This is just one way to set it up for users to benefit from their point redemption. You have flexibility in choosing any type. Once all settings are configured, click on the Update Settings button to save everything. You'll see a range of options available. For instance, I'm focusing on loyalty point redemption. After completing this, head back to the Dashboard section and navigate to the Event Login. In the Event Login section, click on Sale and create a new sale. I'll demonstrate by using a placeholder address and adding a customer to the sale. For example, I'll use the name John Doe. We've enabled only point redemption in the widget settings. As a result, you'll see a prompt to redeem points. Currently, the user has 2,223 points. If we redeem 100 points, a $20 coupon will be applied. You'll see a loyalty discount of $20 appearing. This is how you process the order. When 100 points are redeemed, the user receives a $20 coupon, which we've applied as a discount here. I'm finalizing the order by clicking to complete the sale. With the sale finished, ensure that the points have been redeemed properly. Navigate to the 99 Mines Dashboard section, then to the Customer section. Search for the customer named John Doe. Here you can check the Loyalty Point Details page to see that 100 points have been redeemed. With the current timestamp, you can confirm that 100 points were redeemed and the remaining balance is 2123. You can configure multiple settings using the widget customization from the event. Thank you for watching.